Hi, let's break down what polyphony is in VCV Rack and how to use it in your patches. Polyphony means playing multiple notes at the same time, like a chord. In VCV Rack, modules are often monophonic by default, but many can work with polyphonic cables. And here's the key part. In VCV Rack, there's only one cable type, polyphonic. A monophonic cable is just a polyphonic cable with one channel. So every cable is ready for multiple voices, if the module supports it. Start with a MIDI CV module. Set the voices to 4. That's 4 notes at once. Connect the volt per octave and gate outputs to a polyphonic oscillator like VCV VCO, play a chord, and you'll hear multiple notes at once. Quick polyphony tips. Only modules that support polyphony will respond correctly. Right-click a module to check for polyphony settings. Polyphony opens the door to rich sounds and chords. And remember, in Rack, even one voice is still a polyphonic cable. Thanks for watching, and happy patching!